Welcome to the Class 3 EVS Chapter 4, Importance of Plant. Today we are going to do question answer of Chapter 4, Importance of Plant. Importance of Plant. Fill in the blanks. Please mention that whatever written in red is your blank area. Okay, this is your answer. You have to write this in your book and in your copy also. Whatever is written in red in A, fill in the blanks. You have to, that is the answer. You have to write in book and copy. First one is plants are useful to us in many ways. Is plants are useful in many ways? Yes, plants gives us food, root, wood, paper, oxygen, medicines, है ना? Yes, plants are useful to us in many ways. Second one, garlic and ginger plants are also used to make medicines. Yes, we make medicines with the help of ginger and garlic. In cough, we need it very badly, right? So, yes, garlic and ginger plants are also used to make medicines. Third one, plants give out oxygen gas during daytime. Yes, we all know that plants gives us oxygen. The answer is oxygen. Plants gives out oxygen gas during daytime. Number 4, people who cut down trees should be punished. Those who people cut the trees should be punished now. They are very bad peoples. They used to cut the forest. Deforestation doing is very bad. So people who cut down the trees should be punished. Number 5th, all living things need oxygen gas for breathing. All living things? Yes, even animals, plants and us. We all need oxygen for breathing. The answer is breathing. B number, that is true and false. Do in your book and copy in both. First one is, we must protect plant to survive on the earth. We should protect plants. Yes, we should protect plant now. Why? Because plants gives us many things. So answer is true. Yes, we have to protect the plants to survive on the earth because we need oxygen, we need medicine, we need wood, we need paper. So we have to protect plants to survive on the earth. Second one is, fallen leaves can be burnt. No, we should not burn fallen leaves. Na, it creates smoke and it is very harmful to our atmosphere. So, no. Answer is no. We should not burn. Okay. So, fallen leaves can be burnt. No. Answer is false. Third one is, we should encourage deforestation. Oh my God, we should encourage deforestation? No, we should encourage afforestation. We should encourage afforestation. We should plant trees. We should not cut trees now. So the answer is false. We should encourage deforestation. No, false. Fourth one is, only a few of us need to try to increase the number of plants and trees. No, Baba. Only 2-3 people using planting trees and all of us are cutting down the trees. It will be fruitful. No. We should all use to practice of planting trees. है ना, we should celebrate once mahotsav. We should always used to plant seeds. Only a few of us need to try to increase the number of plants and trees. No, We all have to come together and plant trees. Okay, the answer is false. सिर्फ 2-4 लोग को नहीं करना चाहिए प्रैक्टिस, हम सबको करना है ना. तो only a few of us need to try to increase the number of plants and trees. No, answer is false. Fifth one and the last one of B, plants gives us food only. No, plants gives us various things: fruit, flower, bud, leaves, wood, paper, oxygen, medicine, many more things we can get from the plants. So the answer is false. Not only the food, we get various things. So answer is false. Now come to C number. Tick the correct option. I am only writing the correct answer's name. Okay. You have to tick in your book and write only answers in your copy. With question. Number 1. They are the important gift of nature. Which is the important gift of nature? What is this all chapter about? Plants. So which they are the important gift of nature. Plants are the important gifts of nature. Okay. Now come to second number. Plants gives us wood. Plant gives us wood. ऐसे तो बहुत सारा चीज़ देता है, बट यहाँ ऑप्शन में क्या है, सिर्फ wood ही आएगा. Efforts need. ओके सॉरी, यहाँ पे ओ लिखा हुआ है, टी छूट गया है. ठीक है, आप ध्यान दे लीजिएगा, अपने बुक से देख के लिखिएगा. एफर्ट नीड टू बी मेड टू प्रोटेक्ट फॉरेस्ट फ्रॉम फायर्स. गर्मी के मौसम में आग लग जाती है ना, तो हमें एफर्ट देना पड़ेगा कि उसको बचाया जा सके. नाउ कम टू डी. शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. In which forms do we get food from plants? In which forms do we get food from plants? किस फॉर्म में हमें खाना मिलता है? बहुत सारे फॉर्म में मिल सकता है ना. फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, पल्सेस, ग्रेन, लीव्स. ओके, तो वी गेट फूड फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, grains and pulses. We get food from the plants in the form of fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses. Now come to question number 2. How do plants help the soil? How do plant help the soil? Plant soil को कैसे help करता है? Plant help to bind the soil with the help of their roots. वो अपने रूट से, जड़ों से अपने सॉइल को पकड़ के रखता है, जिससे वो बंध जाते हैं, जिसके कारण सॉइल इरोजन नहीं होता. तो प्लांट्स क्या करता है, बाइंड कर लेता है अपने रूट में सॉइल को, जिसकी वजह से सॉइल इरोजन नहीं होता. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज डिफोरेस्टेशन? Is it good or bad for all of us? So firstly, what is deforestation? Deforestation, cutting down of trees is called deforestation. ये definition है deforestation का. Cutting down of trees is called deforestation. और जो second question है, is it good or bad for all of us? तो it is bad for all of us. And please children see, मैम हैज़ ड्रॉन वन लाइन आफ्टर एवरी आंसर. हर आंसर के बाद एक लाइन खींची हुई है. यू हैव टू ऑल्सो ड्रॉ अ लाइन इन योर कॉपी विथ डिफरेंट कलर. ओके, नॉट विथ योर पेंसिल, विथ योर कलर. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट. लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन. ई, लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. लिस्ट एनी 5 uses of plants. Okay, you have to list the 5 uses of plant. I have mentioned 5. You can also write your own 5. Okay, आप अपना भी 5 लिख सकते हो जो आपको अच्छा लगता हो. Plants gives us food. Plants gives us wood. Plants gives us oxygen. Plants gives us medicine. Plants help us in bringing rain. Okay, these are my 5 reasons. You can also write your own 5 reasons. 5 uses of plants. Now come to question number 2. How do plants act as air purifier? Plant air purifier कैसे है? We used to release कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, है ना. सांस जब हम छोड़ते हैं, एक्सहेल करते हैं, तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं, और क्या करता है प्लांट? उसी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को इनहेल करता है, और जब वो एक्सहेल करता है तो क्या छोड़ता है? ऑक्सीजन छोड़ता है, O2 छोड़ता है. तो प्लांट्स कैसे प्योरीफाई करता है? ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम plants give out oxygen gas and clean the air. So plants act as air purifier. During the daytime, plants give out oxygen gas and clean the air. So plants act as air purifiers. Now question number 3. Suggest 4 ways that can help to conserve plant. 4 ways बताइए जो plants को conserve करता है. Number 1, we should not cut trees. We should not cut down the trees. Number 2, we should celebrate वन महोत्सव by planting saplings. हमें वन महोत्सव सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए पौधे लगा के. There should be a ban on deforestation. Deforestation में बैन लगना चाहिए, पेड़ कटना बंद होना चाहिए. We should take to protect forest against fire. और हमें फायर के अगेंस्ट प्रोटेक्शन करना चाहिए फॉरेस्ट का. Now come to value based question and answer. Question number 1 of value based. State the value displayed by Neha and her father. Neha is a caring, loving and helpful girl. Neha's father is a nature lover and caring person. Neha is a caring, loving and helpful girl. Neha's father is a nature lover and caring person. Second number, question number 2 of value based. Why do you think Neha's mother appreciated the sapling as a gift? क्यों उसकी मम्मी अप्रिसिएट कर रही थी, खुश हो रही थी, शाबाशी दे रही थी कि वाओ प्लांट एज अ गिफ्ट मिला, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Because Neha's mother is also a nature loving woman. यहाँ नेचर का स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया है, एस की जगह ए कर लीजिएगा. Because Neha's mother is also a nature loving woman. Sorry for the typing mistake, children and parents. Suggest how one can take care of the saplings planted to by him or her. Number 1, provide enough water and sunlight. Protect young saplings from gazing animal. कैसे बचा सकते हैं हम? By giving water and by protecting saplings from gazing animals. जो आते हैं ना, गाय बकरी आते आके चर के चले जाते हैं, उनसे बचा सकते हैं. Now question number 4 and the last question of this chapter. Think of more occasions when you can gift a sapling to someone. और सजेशन सोचो जो आप किसी को दे सकते हो sapling. On birthday, on wedding anniversary, on special days like festivals, Diwali, Christmas, Eid. Okay, here the chapter ends, and if you liked my video, please like. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and till then, bye bye. Be happy and stay safe. Thank you.